Hey, good morning. This is our second day here in Taipei. So today is bright and sunny day and it's the best time to visit nature. And I've heard that there are fresh blooms in Zhongshe Flower Village. Let's check it out. So yung high-speed rail namin is 40 minutes pa before umalis. So nandito muna kami ngayon sa Family Mart to have our breakfast. So while waiting for our ride going to Taichung City, nag-breakfast muna kami. We had chicken sandwich, ham and cheese sandwich, and some Ovaltines and water.
Kailan ka uling uminom ng Ovaltine?
Umadali, bata pa yata ako. Baka mga elementary pa lang yata ako. Pero bigla siya nawala, no? Ovaltine. So we are here now at Taiwan station. So from Miaoli, sumakay kami ng high-speed rail from Taipei going to Miaoli station. And from Miaoli station, sumakay kami ng Foxing or shuttle or para siyang rail going here sa Taiwan station, kung saan maglalakad na kami na at least 20 minutes going to Zhongshe Flower Market. From Taiwan Station, kumain na lang kami ng taxi going here at Zhongshe Flower Market. Since may mga nakasabay kaming mga Pinoy din, so naghati-hati kami sa taxi fare. Bale, hindi na kami naglakad ng 30 minutes. Sobrang init pa naman. So finally, we are now here in Zhongshe Flower Market after 2 hours of ride from Taipei. So basically what you will witness here are a lot of variations of flowers. The Zhongshe Flower Market is a great nature spot to break away from the city. It's a huge land filled with different kinds of flowers, perfect for your Facebook and Instagram photos. So here in Zhongshe, the temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Malamig siya pero tirik yung araw, sobrang sunny. So parang sobrang init sa balat. And a good way to refresh is that we got some honey water. So upon entering here at Zhongshe Flower Market, you'll feel that it's literally a market because they sell plants, flowers, and food. So pag nagutom kayo after dun sa 2-hour ride from Taipei, you can eat here kasi maraming food choices and restaurants. And also before leaving, pag nagutom kayo, you can also eat as well. Having lunch now sa harap ng Zhongshe Flower Market. It's just a random restaurant. So in order ko is crispy pork rib, which is 75 NTD. And yung isa naman, the order naman ni Ryan is yung crispy chicken.
Crispy fried chicken.
Crispy fried chicken for only 95 NTD. From Taichung Station, sumakay kami ng Foxing shuttle going here at Shinwuri Station, and then we're gonna ride again a bus going to the Rainbow Village. So right now we're in Taichung City. So from Shinwuri Station, we have to do a 12-minute walk going to the bus station, which will bring us to the Rainbow Village. from Shinwuri Station going to Rainbow Village. Dapat magbabasa na kami. Pero malapit na yung sunset. Hindi na namin maabutan yung sun. Pagdating doon, baka madilim na. So we've decided to take a cab na lang. We're here! Buti na abot na pa namin yung araw.
Rainbow Village is located in the second largest city in Taiwan, Taichung City. Its colorful community gives a vibrant appeal to both local and foreign tourists.
So I just overheard na kaya daw ito ginawa kasi this is about to be demolished na daw. So nung ginawa nilang parang ganito yung community na to, hindi na natuloy yung demolition ng village. Okay, so we're gonna buy the high-speed rail transport or train going to Taipei. So dapat English. So non-reserved seats lang.
Please be aware that non-reserved seats.
One way only.
Please
So
select.
we're coming from
Please
Taichung.
select your destination.
And our arrival will be in Taipei.
Please select the number of
So,
passengers.
three passengers.
Press confirm.
Confirm.
Please confirm your trip details.
So ganito siya kamahal. 1,350. And we're using our my credit card.
Please select a seat. Please select. Please insert or indeed. Safely. Transaction complete. Please.
Oh, success. Tinagat yung credit card natin.
Please take your ticket from the tray below.
Okay. So, wala tayong tickets. Oh. And this is the high-speed rail since 2007-2009. So we are still waiting for the boarding. Actually, non-reserved seat yung kinuha namin, but halos wala laman. Kasi normally yung mga non-reserved seats, punong-puno. So we're so lucky kasi we have some seats. Isang oras pa naman yung biyahe papuntang Taipei. Ang luwag ng leg room nila, and I can stretch my legs to its full capacity. So nakabalik na kami ngayon dito sa Taipei, and we're currently in Zhongshe Station. Ito yung station kung saan malapit yung Raohe Night Market. Nakita kami ditong mga dogs. Ayan, I think they are preparing for a show. Dito sa may labas ng Raohe Night Market, mayroong isang malaking temple. Sobrang grandiose niya. This is the entrance of the Raohe Night Market. Ito yung facade niya.
Please watch out for the full video of my Raohe Night Market tour plus food and milk tea experiences in Taiwan. Unfortunately, this will be the last part of the Taiwan Day 2 tour.
Alright, so that concludes my second day here in Taiwan. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking the red button and also the bell icon for you to receive notifications. See you on my third day. Bye!